In this video, I want to show you how you can draw support and resistance lines inside of TradingView. Now to do this, simply head over here and select this one, click on this button, and you can select a trend line. In here, you simply want to select where you want to do it. So let's just scroll out a little bit. Let's say you want to do it here and here. You can select it and do like that. And then you can reselect and do like this. So that is how you can do it. Now, if you want, you can also just use this one called a horizontal line, and you can click here and you can also click here. So just reselect it, click there, and you will see there will now be these. If you want to customize it a bit, you can also make the draw tool and you can draw wherever you want it to be. So whatever you want, and that is how it works. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.